Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your Walmart gift card. If that sounds good, watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming videos from us. Now the first thing you need to do is, in the web browser, type in walmart.com. Now as soon as you do that, the website of Walmart will open. Then you'll need to log into your account. In order to purchase your gift card, you must have a Walmart account and you must be logged in. After all that's done, now in the search bar, type in Walmart e-gift card by email delivery. What this will do is show you options where gift cards are delivered via email. Now you can see a bunch of options. Now you can choose whichever you like. Price of this gift card starts from $25 and can go up to $200. Now choose an amount. Now after that, click on add to cart. Now you can see your total price of the gift card. Then click on view cart. Now you can choose the number of gift cards you want to purchase. You can increase it by clicking on this plus icon. Now after you're done, click on continue to checkout. Now from here, add in your first name, your last name, street address, your city, state, your zip code and your phone number. Then after you're done filling all this information, click on continue. Then in the next page, you will find a place where you can add in your card details, so you'll be able to easily purchase your Walmart gift card. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. We upload similar videos like this every day, so make sure you are notified when we upload a video. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.